Hi, welcome to our channel. I'm Mark, and in this series of videos I'm going to be showing you what I've bought to date for my survival bag. I don't know if it's a case of age, watching too much Walking Dead or watching the news. Either way, I decided it was a good idea to put together a survival bag. Worst case scenario, I'm ready. On the flip side, we're just going out and enjoy camping with the boys and the family. I'd like to add that I've not been paid for anything you're going to see today. I've not had any freebies. I'm just a normal guy that's enjoyed the process of going out buying the gear. Okay, in my survival situation, obviously I'm going to catch lots and lots of food, so I thought it was essential to have a grill. So I've decided to buy the Bushcraft Grill made by Expedition Research. It's a welded stainless steel high strength mesh that's been campfire rated. Comes in at 4 ounces, about 115 grams, and it's 9.5 inches long by 5 inches wide. $11.99, and postage to France came in at €17.41 inclusive. So I think very reasonable price, very happy with it. Okay, let's have a look at this grill in more detail. So it comes with its own carry case, and first opinion, very sturdy, doesn't buckle at all. Nice size. I can imagine building your campfire, putting a log on either side and just resting that on top, and you can either boil your water or cook your food. Great bit of kit, fits into my backpack nicely, doesn't weigh a lot, and very impressed with it. And for the price, can't go wrong. Love it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Not only have we got this series of videos, but Naomi's also doing her Filipino kitchen, where there's some wonderful Filipino recipes, all presented in English for you to enjoy.